On today's episode, I am going to show you a quick and simple hack that we've learned on how to make screens. Normally, you would burn your screen. Okay, this is our screen, simple, bought it at Hobby Lobby. You can get them on Amazon if you wish. But for the purpose of this video, we got this one at Hobby Lobby. I printed my image, so you'll need vinyl. Do not mirror your image, okay? And then what we're gonna do is just weed it out. So start weeding the image out, like so. So once you have your image weeded out, we're gonna take our screen and we are going to place the image here to get burned. So stay tuned and we'll show you.
So guys, welcome back. Now it's time to show you how we take this, stick it to this to make a screen that you could screen print on. First thing I did is I made some cheat marks on the screen. Give me the center. How did I come up with that? Follow me over here. What I did is I have a sample shirt on here. What I'm gonna be screening on, it's a little kid's shirt. So I have to set my screen in here, tighten it down, bring it down. Now, if you don't know how far your image goes, you could use the template that we use, which is these simple templates. You can buy them on Amazon, center it down. This will give you a distance of where your lettering is supposed to start. Bring it down, make you some cheat marks, and go from there. So now that we got our marks, follow me back over here. Now remember, this image is printed out, but it's not mirrored. It's not mirrored for a reason, because when you stick it, you're gonna stick it like this. When you screen it, it's gonna screen mirrored, and when it comes out, it'll come out the right way. You'll see right now. So now, I got a center mark right here on my board. I'll take this. I usually just kind of center the image right here. Make a couple creases on there so I know where to set it. I take some of this heat tape. Cut it like so. We'll come up here, center our image right where we want it. Come back with the next one. Now, if you're a beginner, but it's not. Because if we check this image is too far down. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So remember, I said that mark is supposed to be the top of my letters. Look at where my image is at. It's almost 4 fingers down. If we were to put this on here, we're nowhere close to where we need to be. And right there, if you're not paying attention, you would mess up a whole bunch of shirts. So let's take it back over there. And let's show you how to do this. You take this, you move it up to where you need it at. You set it in place, like so. Now this heat tape on these screens is a little bit difficult to stick, but it'll work. So you put your image on there. Okay, another thing you could do is check your distance. 4.5. That's 4.25. You need to adjust this. You gotta be very precise with these things. 4.5. Right there. You gotta be very precise, because any little thing will make the screen come out crooked, and then you have a hard time trying to adjust it on there. Yes, I could have easily used the full sheet of this vinyl to cover this, and you'll understand what I mean here in a minute. So there, I got it on my marks, where my mark, I check it. I'm checking this big lettering across the top. I'm making sure I got the same measurement across it, okay? So there, now we're going this way. Teflon sheet down on the bottom. This is a scissor. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This is a scissor heat press machine. It's little. It's perfect for this because obviously, if you use big Gigantor over here, it's not gonna work. So here, you take the screen, you just lay it in there like so, okay? And you bring it down. I only leave it on here for like 5 seconds. Boom. Now follow me over here. Take this off. We're done with that. Take this off. We're done with this. There you go. That's your screen. Now, another step. That's what I was saying earlier. We could have used the whole sheet, but obviously you want to use the material. You could always use tape to tape this off on the rest of this. You want to tape off as much as you need for the ink that you're going to be running, because any section of this screen that you leave exposed is going to have ink in it, and you don't want that all over your shirts. This is something small, so obviously we've been doing this for a while. You can, the right way, or the correct way I should say, to do this would be to use the motion, burn the screen. Sometimes you just don't have all the equipment to do that. I know when we started we didn't have all that equipment. But this way, you make yourself a screen fairly quick. See? There it is. You take it here. You don't need that no more. You put it in place where you want it. Tighten these down. Screen the image. And it's done. Now, if you want to see one of the products already done.
So this is your final product, okay? Completely on there. So
Hey,
this is how you do a simple, quick and easy hack on how to do a screen for your screen print. Make sure to stick around to learn how to actually use a screen on a shirt. Subscribe, click the like button, and turn on notifications.
if not, you can find us on madhousecreations.com, and we'll put the link down below.
Bye guys.
Deuce.